Hello dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I am drawing attention of CA final student, especially who are going to attend in CA exam, case study exam. I'll discuss, as I told earlier, financing option and investment appraisal of Ahmad Leather case, December 2021. First of all, I am drawing attention of page 4 requirement. Say for page requirement requirement B3, B2 and B3 financing option. Strategic option for finance and business expansion. Best option for business expansion. In B2, advising the board of ALC Ahmad Leather on the feasibility of using Shukok bonds as an alternative source of financing business expansion project. So there is written feasibility of using Shukok bonds. There is plural number. As there is said alternative, so you must consider other bond that is in the question, page number 14. See, on the other hand, if you construct a set up own factory facility, you can issue a corporate bond. So you must evaluate the corporate bond analysis. As there is in the question in requirement alternative using Shukok bonds, there is plural numbers. So this might be bonds. We will assume this bond. As alternative, we have to evaluate two bonds. This is corporate bond in the question and Shukuk bonds. In Shukuk bond, as per rule, I'll discuss some of corporate bonds, that is convertible, 8% convertible bond. Just what is getting interest from 10 years is the present value of 10 years interest, then the value of total bond, present value of convertible bond at the end of the 10th year. So the face value must be calculated at the present. So using 10% discount rate, as we think it might be 10% discount rate, 8% for interest of convertible bond and 10% for present value using discount factor. So be careful, 8% on 26,500. It may be 26,500 and in 1000. We'll assume this in 1000. And another 0 figures should be added. So be careful. Then this is corporate bond evaluation. This is very easy, as we learned in our FM or our corporate reporting. So another, this is Shukuk bond. Shukuk bond, this should be retained under trustee, that is a special purpose vehicle. A special purpose vehicle will retain the bond, and you have to on behalf of the company you should pay rent, that is said in the question, page number 14, 18 lakh for 10 years. This is payment side. What will be receipt side? Receipt side, there is a question in the last two lines. This will not have to make any initial investment, but will receive the same project cash flow as setting up own tannery. Investor of Shukuk bond will return an investment of 5% annually. This is discount rate is 5%. So what should be calculated in present value? Just use 5% discount factor. Payment side is 18 lakh, what I calculated in my exam. And receipt side, there is an indication of receipt side, that is in the fourth line, the issuers use proceeds from the certificate to purchase the asset, and investor receive partial ownership of the asset. Investors are entitled to part of the proceeds generated by an asset return of investment. Since there is issue of Shukuk bond, the company government providing various benefit We are thinking of issue bond to finance own business expansion project. So in the last line, this way will not have to make any initial investment, but will receive the same amount of project cash flow as setting up own tannery. As you calculate in the investment appraiser, so you have to go back in the setting up own tannery. That is in this line, this written receipt side. Same amount will be received from SPB as a trustee of Sukuk bond. So receipt amount is in the first year, second year 2,900, 3,500 second, third year, fourth year, and so on. Up to the year 10, we will calculate the receipt side, and payment side will only be 1800. That is 18 lakh. 1800. You will concise your figure, and you will always calculate in thousand. So 1800 for next 10 years will be adjusted from payment. The net figure will be come from present value, that is Npv of Sukuk bond. So there is two corporate bond. One is 8% convertible bond using 8% non-convertible bond for 26,500, and second one is Sukuk bond. This is corporate bond and Sukuk bond appraisal. This has been indicated in the question, page number 4, or requirement. In investment appraisal part, this is very easy. Setting up and acquire. As you see, setting up and acquire. So this setting up, there is 14,000 in 0, 1,200, 500 in year 1, 2,900 in year 2, and so on up to the year 10. So this is very easy. Just discount back the figure using 10% discount factor. In acquisition side, there is investment in the year 0, or initial investment in 35,000. In the second year 3,200, and this is receipt side, and 3,700 for year 2, and so on up to the year 10. This is can be calculated very easily, and using your discount factor 10%. I did also using 10%. Don't go for 1%, that's higher. Don't get confused. And another calculation using payback. Using payback, you can give payback calculation separate from your investment appraisal part. And I did also just using in which year it has been come to the positive figure from negative figure. This might be 5 sources. Very easy. Just use calculator and written down the figure, but put down the figure. Don't go for detailed calculation using formula or writing formula in the answer sheet. Just put down the figure of payback. Very easy. So these are our investment appraisal and financing option of Ahmed Leather case, December 2021. And there is for investment appraisal another Sukuk bond news clips in page 18. Don't get confused with your tax rate. This is written in the question that Sukuk bond is exempted from all taxes at source. So don't get confused. This is tax free and is exempted from any tax at source, and don't calculate any tax in your investment appraisal part. So this is very easy. Then I'll draw conclusion on my case study part for today. Next, I'll inshallah discuss corporate reporting part with the first of my discussion, assurance and audit side. So try to get subscribed and try to get connected with me using your YouTube channel. So like, comment and subscribe. So if there any question in your comment section, you can put your email address and mobile number. I'll contact, and my contact will be given to you. So after getting any query or question from you, or any problem faced by you, will be determined and answered by me, inshallah. So bye for now, and I am hopeful that you will get good result in soon in March 2022 exam, especially in case and corporate reporting. In corporate reporting side, I will also discuss the assurance side or financial instrument in short time. So corporate financial reporting and financial instrument and assurance audit is also helpful for the professional level student. So bye for now. I'll try to meet you soon, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.